Today, I'm going to share my review on the Jitsu Driver app, a platform that connects drivers with delivery routes. Reviews for the app are quite mixed, with both positive aspects and recurring frustrations. Let's break it down. Starting with the common praises. Flexibility is one of Jitsu's biggest strengths. Drivers like being able to set their own hours and select the routes that fit their schedule. Route control is another plus. The app displays key details such as the number of packages, estimated bay, and the delivery zone, so drivers can decide whether the route is worth their time. Simple pickup also stands out. Packages are pre labeled with stop numbers, which makes the loading and delivery process more straightforward. Now, on to the common complaints: limited availability and competition. Many drivers say there are often more drivers than routes, especially during peak times, creating intense competition. Inconsistent pay and route changes. Some drivers report their pay being reduced after booking or delivery zones, expanding unexpectedly, which can eat into profits and trust. App issues. The app is frequently described as slow, freezing at critical times, or sending route notifications too late for drivers to claim them. Poor driver support. Dispatches are often reported as unhelpful or even rude, and overall support is viewed as lacking. Lack of transparency. Many drivers want more clarity on ratings and benefits like early booking access. Key takeaways: Jitsu can be a decent option for earning extra money if you value flexible hours and control over routes, but drivers should be prepared for competition, pay inconsistencies, and tech issues. Ultimately, how viable Jitsu is depends heavily on your local market and warehouse route availability. Thank you for watching.